Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. Today we're going to try air fryer pizza. So I have a small Foster Farms pizza. Just look at the nutrition label. So an entire pizza has 7 net carbs. So I have the dual pan Ninja air fryer, and I've just placed it in one of the pans, pan 1. So I haven't done this before, so I'm just going to try it and see. I'm going to try it to air fry. Let's do 375. So I'm going to start with 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes is up. Okay, it looks crispy on top, but it still looks a little frozen. Bake it for an additional 5 minutes at 325. Okay, so here we have the finished pizza. And it's good. I may have gotten it a little brown on top, the cheese. But this is a chicken crust, and it's really not a crust. I wouldn't even call it. I would call it like a chicken patty. It's more like chicken parmesan. It's good. It's not the pizza taste that I was expecting, but it worked well in the air fryer. I mean, it is delicious for a chicken taste. I like the cauliflower crust pizza better, the homemade. I have not found any in the stores, but this is a quick, easy look, and because it is chicken, I'm only going to be able to eat half of this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow for updates.